Hello friends, it's Advocate Sonalika, your legal advisor and teacher. Today I am going to discuss with you a very important topic, which is arrest how made. Before arresting a person, there are certain circumstances and conditions which have to be applied and which is to be considered, which I am going to discuss today. And here it is, this arrest how made. Arrest how made has been given in section 46 of the CRPC Criminal Manual Act. First of all, in making an arrest, the police officer or the person making the arrest shall be actually touch or confine the body of the person to be arrested, unless there be a submission to the custody by word or action, provided that where a woman is to be arrested, the arrest shall be made by a female police officer, and unless the circumstances indicate to the contrary, her submission to the custody on an oral intimation of arrest shall be presumed, and unless the circumstances otherwise require, or unless the police officer is a female, the police officer, if he is a gents or male, shall not touch the body of the woman for making her arrest. Okay. Second, if such person forcibly resist the endeavor to arrest him or attempt to evade the arrest, such police officer or the person may use all means necessary to effect such arrest. Means if anybody is to be arrested and he is not letting himself surrender and trying to evade, then the police officer who is assigned to make the arrest shall use all possible means to arrest him. The third provision to section 46 is that nothing in this section shall give right to cause the death of a person who is not accused of an offense punishable with death or imprisonment for life. Number 4, save and in exceptional circumstances, no woman shall be arrested after sunset and before sunrise. And where such exceptional circumstances exist, the woman police officer shall, by making with a written report obtained by the prior permission of a chief judicial magistrate of first class, within whose local jurisdiction the offence is committed or is to be made. Now here all the circumstances have been